Welcome back my channel. Today we see a sine function in MATLAB. You can download a MATLAB app by using a link given in description box. After downloading MATLAB app, you have to sign up, create a mail ID and password. After that, go to the new file and create a file. Sine wave have a three parameter: amplitude, frequency and time. So by using this parameter, we start write a code. First we use a two command: clear all and close all. This command clear all data and close all the file. After that, we take a frequency equal to 1, amplitude equal to 2 and time t is equal to 0.01. But here you want to define on x-axis where you want to see a sine wave. First define this. I define 0 first, after that 0.01 wave and after a1. By this you can define that a sine wave is c between 0 and 1 point on x-axis. After that, a sine wave expression is equal to, first is amplitude A into sine in bracket 2 into pi into frequency f into t time scale. This expression shows A is amplitude, sine is a sine function, 2, then pi is a constant, f is a frequency, t is a time. Here we write a sine function. After that, we want to see a graph of sine wave. So we here use a keyword plot t slash y. We can give a label for x-axis and y-axis. For this, we use label keyword. xlabel. On x-axis, we see a time. So give a label time. On y-axis, y label. Amplitude. For this plot, we can give a title. For this, we use title keyword, title, title, plot of sine wave. Okay. After that, you can execute this code by going here. Let's see this the sine wave. You can see a cursor value. Yes, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Let's see a cursor value. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. After that, you can save this picture in your mobile or share with your friends. By using this app, you are execute various types of code. I hope you have understand how to execute a code in Android app. In next video, we can see a amplitude modulation code in MATLAB. I hope you understand. If you have any question, then you comment me and give me a subject what type of code you want in MATLAB. So subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.